एक्शन बोलो. चलो स्टार्ट करो. राइट, थैंक यू. Okay, good evening boys and girls. Your stoichiometry concentration terms we have to start. Before going that, equivalent weight, it is compulsory. To get that, oxidation states is a mandatory one. So we have started oxidation states. I hope all of you got perfection with that last 2 classes of videos. And this purpose of oxidation state finding is you have to get that what type of reaction is going on. If a chemical equation is given, you have to identify that this reaction is oxidation, this one reduction, this one redox, disproportionate, cum proportionate, like that you have to specify. Okay, write on this equation. MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2. Reaction is, whether it is oxidation or reduction, we have to get. To identify that, we should get the oxidation states of central metal atoms. Central metal atom oxidation state you have to get. Okay. In MnO4 minus, Mn, make it as X plus 4 into oxygen minus 2. Overall X is equal to plus 7. So MnO4 minus Mn oxidation state as plus 7. Now MnO to Mn. In MnO to Mn oxidation state. Okay. Plus 4. That only I am asking. Huh? You have to say plus 4. No doubt it is of plus 4. MnO2 x plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 4. Sir, plus 7 to plus 4. Mn is changing from plus 7 to plus 4. Whether it is oxidation or reduction, we have to say. I hope in lower classes you have an idea that loss of electrons, it is called as oxidation. Okay. In the same way, gain of electrons, it is called as reduction. So loss of electrons, gain of electrons. These are fundamentals for oxidation and reduction. Here see, plus 7, already 7 electrons lost. After reaction, Mn is appearing to be plus 4 only, meaning 7 loss is appearing to be 4 loss only, means 3 gain is there or not? Gain of electrons is called as reduction. So reaction is reduction. This one we have to say. This reaction is of reduction. Now done fast. Very good, my board is very clean and you children are really interested ones to get quality education. So you are there in CVG. Nice. MnO4 minus plus C2O4 minus 2, note down equation fast, gives rise to Mn with plus 2 CO2. Tell me sir. MnO4 minus Mn oxidation state. Right, it is of plus 7. Next. Which one you have to find out in C2O4 minus 2? Tell me which one you have to find. Carbon. Oxygen is known na? So unknown one you have to find out. Very good. Carbon, kitna hoga? Very good, ma. +3. +3. Okay. In this, Mn given as +2, no issue. 4 hoga. Sir, how we can say +3 and +4? I'll explain the same oxidation states here once more. MnO4 minus, just now only we did +7, clear or not? +7 clear. So C2O4 minus 2. It is called as oxalate anion. Total oxidation state is -2. How many carbons are there? 2 carbons. Make it as 2x +4 into oxygen wala -2. 2x minus 8 is equal to -2. 2x is equal to 6. X value +3 ho gaya answer. X is equal to +3. So carbon with +3. Clear? Now in the case of CO2, it is easier. Make it as carbon X. 2 into oxygen -2. 0 ho gaya. X is equal to +4. They will specify if it is peroxide, peroxyl link. Fluorine, if it is there, changes. Potassium is there, rubidium is there, cesium is there, oxygen changes. In all other cases, oxygen is -2 only. Why discussion? Directly you can take it as -2. All of it clear? Now see this one. Mn is changing from +7 to +2. Carbon is changing from +3 to +4. You should know that. What Mn it is there? Reduction or oxidation? First tell me, gain of electrons or loss of electrons? Gain of electrons, very good. Because started with 7 loss. Here it is of 2 loss. So 7 loss is appearing to be 2 loss, means 5 gain is there or not? So it is of reduction. Nice. Carbon wala. +3 appearing to be +4. 1 carbon +3. What is the meaning of +3? 3 loss. Started with 3 loss. What is the meaning of +4? 4 loss. 3 loss appearing to be 4 loss means gain or loss, beta? Loss only. +3, 3 loss. At the end of the reaction it is +4. How many loss? 4 loss. 3 loss is appearing to be 4 loss. 1 more loss is there or not? Loss of electrons is called as oxidation. So in this reaction, one is getting reduction, one is getting oxidation. That's why this reaction is called as redox reaction. Rx means reaction. Not done fast. This is called as redox reaction. So what is a redox reaction? Both oxidation and reduction should be there. One component has to participate in oxidation, the other part has to participate in reduction. So 2 ingredients, 2 reactants are getting products with 1 loss, 1 gain. It is said to be redox. P4, next one. It is of reduction. This one, oxidation. Here, reaction. This is of redox reaction. Now, P4 gives rise to PH3 plus H2PO2 minus. This is another chemical equation, this one. Okay? For this one, you have to write oxidation states first. First, directly you have to write oxidation states. Now, what about P4? Phosphorus. Element or not it is? ये कंपाउंड नहीं है. एलिमेंट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट 0, एलिमेंट इन एलिमेंटरी स्टेट 0 हो गया. Now same phosphorus here and here it is there. Try to get pH3 phosphorus. How much? pH3 में phosphorus oxidation state. Very good. -3 correct. How it is -3? +1 or not? Why hydrogen +1? Phosphorus non-metal ma. If it is with metal, -1. It is non-metal, so it will be +1. So hydrogen x plus 3 into +1 is equal to 0. X is equal to -3. ये phosphorus -3 हो गया. Next, in this phosphorus का, make it fast. H2PO2 minus. Total oxidation to be equated to -1. Right, ma, +1. Right? It is a +1. H2PO2 minus. Sir, in H2PO2 minus 1, hydrogens 2 are there. 2 into +1. Sir, how we can say 2 into +1? Hydrogen non-metal with non-metal. Phosphorus, take it as X. How many oxygens are there? 2. Each oxygen with -2. Sir, how we can say it is -2? ये peroxide नहीं है, fluorine नहीं है इसमें, potassium, rubidium कुछ भी नहीं है. So only one oxide it is there. Oxide means -2 only. So X is equal to +1 होगा. How it is? 2 -4 -1. Answer will be +1. So phosphorus का +1. अभी doubt होगा, sir, in this one we are observing oxidation state for few elements only. Why the rest of elements we are not considering? Unknown ones only we have to get. Which one is unknown? Carbon unknown, nitrogen unknown, sulfur unknown, oxygen known to us. इसका पूरा properties मालूम है हमको. -2, -1, -1/2, +1, +2, 0, सब कुछ मालूम है. So unknown one means it is also called as a heteroatom. The other one than known, it is said to be hetero. Heteroatom it is. They can, in medical terminology, it is called as a foreign body. Foreign body means, if suppose in childhood days, simply a small stick you saw, you kept that in your ear. Unfortunately, that stick was broken, it is there inside only. You can't remove that. If you go to hospital, doctor will say, foreign body to be removed out, arrange tongs bolke. Means surgical tongs hoga. Tongs is nothing but cutting plier जैसा होगा. वो metallic है, थोड़ा sharp edged and tiny it is. Means it is called as a foreign body. Why it is foreign body? Other than the body part, whatever extra is there, it is foreign body only. Oh, extra particle you have introduced into that one. Like that. Other than oxygen, hydrogen, whatever the special one, it is the foreign element for us. For those elements only you have to find out oxidation states. You have to find out oxidation state. So phosphorus is 0. Either compare this one. 0 to -3. What is the meaning of this one? Loss or gain, boys? Gain. How many gain? 3 electrons gain. Boys means response not from left side. It should be there from right. Boys only will respond. ठीक है माँ? Right. अच्छा बच्ची है. You are also good रे. So +3 -3. Difference is there. 0 to -3. Gain of electron or loss है? Gain. कितना gain है? 3 gain it is. Very good. So gain of electrons. Gain of electrons also called as reduction. ये part हो गया. अभी 0 to +1. हमारा girls 0 to +1. Loss or gain? Loss. Very good. How many electrons loss? 1 electron. 1 electron loss. Any doubt? Boys, any doubt? 1 electron loss. Very good, ma. It is of oxidation and it is of loss. Observe this one. same chemical component participating in gain as well as loss, both are there. It is called as disproportionate reaction. ये redox नहीं होगा. When it is redox, one oxidation, other one reduction, it is redox. Same component participating in oxidation as well as reduction, it is said to be disproportionate reaction. Up to now, 3 variants came. Not 3, 4 variants came. Oxidation, reduction, redox, disproportionate. और एक है कम proportionate बोल के. Write down. One more. Cl2 gives rise to Cl minus and ClO3 minus. Let us see how many members finalize oxidation states of the given component. Make it fast. Answer ma? Very good. +5. Here chlorine oxidation state +5. Remaining ones no need to identify. Already there it is. Cl2 0. Sir 0 to -1 एक है, 0 to +5 एक है. Sir, we are having confusion, sir. Which element to which element we have to say? You are there in the class, that's why we are able to copy. But how we can identify this is getting oxidation, this one only change is there. Whatever the, nothing it is there, no need to get tensed about of this one, sir. Element hetero chlorine. Yeah, oxygen hydrogen nahi hai na? So chlorine hetero. 0 to -1 and one more is there with +5. Where the changes are there, that you have to get. How we can get +5? Allah, we got +5 or not? My girls, boys, Allah, we got. But I didn't got na, so I will write. Because on board it is not there. Next onwards I will not write. Okay, last one, oxidation state from fundamentals we are going. 3 into oxygen wala minus perfection aaya. Very good. -1. X is equal to 6 minus 1, right, ma +5. So 0 to +5, 0 to -1. Sir, 0 to -1 name reduction. How we can say -1 reduction? 0, no loss, no gain. -1, 1 extra. 1 gain is there or not? Gain is nothing but reduction. 0 to +5, loss. How many loss? 5 electrons loss. 5 electrons loss is called as oxidation. 1 reduction, 1 oxidation can be taken as redox, but it is not redox. Why it is not redox? Same component participating in reduction and oxidation. That's why it is called as a disproportionate reaction. Disproportionate reaction. Yes. Can I erase this part? Okay, ma? Right. So disproportionate reactions is somewhat perfection came. क्या बोले? +1 correct. +1 correct. एडिशन एक बार देखो जी. सर Cl -1 सिंपल जस्ट एडिशन माइनस कन्वर्शन में डिफरेंस. ओके, वेरी गुड. +1 मा ClO minus. Okay, already I told you na, I will not conclude for single individual oxidation state. ClO minus x minus 2 is equal to -1, x +1. Are you clear? Okay, x is equal to +1. Now observe this one. Cl2 element 0, Br2 element 0, I2 element oxidation state 0. -1 to 0, loss or gain? First we should go with the theory part, concept part. What is the meaning of minus? One extra is there, one excess. It is one excess. 0, one excess to 0. Loss or gain? Loss only. Already is having 1. At the end of the reaction it is appearing to be 0. Means loss or not? What is the name of loss of electrons reaction? That's it. It is of oxidation. Okay. Chlorine wala, don't go for this -1. Chlorine says observe karna. Bromine, phosphorus, whatever the element it is there, with that only you should observe. So what about the chlorine element? Chlorine +1 to 0. Reduction or oxidation? Okay. What is the meaning of +1? 1 electron loss. Be with the theory only. Increase, decrease, aisa nahi hona. It may give much confusion. Cl +1, what is the meaning? 1 electron loss initially. Started with loss. Now ending with 0. Electron loss is appearing to be 0 already. Matlab 1 electron gain is there or not? It started with 1 loss. At the end of the reaction, 0 loss, 0 profit. दोनों है. 1 loss to 0 loss हो रहे हैं. मतलब 1 electron gain. So gain of electron is said to be, that's it. It is of reduction. Clear? Observe this one. Reduction and oxidation observed from 2 components to 1 component. In the previous case, 1 component to 2. P4 to PH3 plus H2PO2 minus. 1 appearing to be 2 different. Here, 2 appearing to be 1. That's why it is called as a comproportionate reaction. It is called as comproportionate reaction. Disproportionate, and this one is comproportionate. All of you clear? So types of reactions are of these ones: oxidation, reduction, redox, disproportionate, and comproportionate. Total 5 variants it is. Loss of electron oxidation, gain of electron reduction. If both are there, redox. Redox means it is nothing but reduction में half हो, oxidation में half. Add करे फेविक्विक से, बस हो गया, redox बन गया. 1 giving to 2 component, disproportionate. 2 components to 1, comproportionate. हो गया ऐसा. Okay? So type of reactions is in this way. If a compound given like this, H2SO4, H2SO4, calculate molecular weight for this one, mass number